Tired of accidentally triggering DuckDuckGo shortcuts while you're just trying to type? It is so frustrating when you are in the middle of something and suddenly the page jumps or a menu opens or you lose your place entirely. In about 60 seconds, I will show you exactly how to turn those off permanently. No more interruptions, just a clean, smooth browsing experience. So here is the plan. We are going to open up your DuckDuckGo browser settings, find the keyboard shortcuts toggle, flip it to off, and then save everything. That is it. Let us jump right in. Start with your DuckDuckGo browser already open. You want to be on the main browser window, not on a specific website or anything. Just the default start page is perfect. Now, look up to the top right corner of the screen. You will see 3 little horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. That is the menu icon. Give that a click. A drop-down menu will pop up. From that list, you are going to click on the option that says Settings. That will open up a whole new tab where you can tweak pretty much everything about how the browser behaves. Once you are on the settings page, you will see a list of categories on the left-hand side. The one we need is right at the top. It is called General. Click on that. Then look through the options that appear and find the one labeled Keyboard Shortcuts. It should have a little toggle switch next to it. And here is the really important part. That toggle is probably set to on right now, which is what is causing all the trouble. You just need to click on that toggle so it slides over to the off position. When it shows the word off in gray, you know you have successfully disabled the shortcuts. So now that we have flipped that switch, we need to make sure it sticks. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. There will be a blue button that says Save and Exit. Click that. This locks in your change so that every time you close and reopen the browser, those shortcuts stay disabled. And that is all there is to it. From now on, you can type away in DuckDuckGo without worrying about accidentally pulling up a shortcut you did not want. I have walked through this exact process myself, and it makes a huge difference. The browsing session stays exactly how you expect it, with no surprises. Go ahead and try it out on your own browser and enjoy the peace of mind. Thanks for watching.